Hey everybody, my last video I put out was on East Lake Okoboji. Today I'm heading to West Lake Okoboji. The water should be clear. Heading to a place called Little Emerson Bay. About 7 to 8 inches of ice now out there. I think it's December 29th or December 30th, one of those two. But hopefully get some good footage for you and see what we can see out there. So stay tuned. Here we got one coming in. I'm in Little Emerson Bay here. He's coming in hot. I don't know if I get him or not. Got him. Nice pumpkin seed. I'll probably keep him. Got a couple over there on the ice, so got some, as you can see in the shadows there in the distance, I got some bass. I'm kind of out deeper than the other shacks out here, hoping that the bigger bluegill are cruising out here. So yeah, got two on the ice so far. There's another bass coming through. Actually a school of bass you can see there. So we'll see. Got a nice bluegill here. He doesn't seem too interested though. You gotta kind of just jig it and leave it dead. You can see when I jigged it there, he really doesn't like the movement. The jigging gets them coming, but then once they get there, you better dead stick it almost, you know. So, well, there he goes. We'll have to see if another guy comes along. Here comes one. Oh, he's small. I don't want this guy, and he's gonna hit it. Get out of there. Yeah, that's the good thing about having a camera. You can have them, you can sort them without getting them on the ice. So I'm just using wigglers today. Here that little guy comes back again, but I'm just using wigglers and a chartreuse and orange, kind of a sunset colored jig. Two wigglers on a number 10 hook. So and a little jig. They don't like it too big in these little bays in Okoboji. Well, we'll see what happens next. This guy just came in. Ah, darn it. They're just finicky. Got him. All right, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a nice bluegill there. He's going on the ice with these others over here. That's awesome. Well, there's three on the ice. We're getting there. You can see all the fish down there. I mean, in the distance there on the right and left. This guy might hit it. I don't really want him. I think he's smaller. Yeah, he's a small one. Get out of here. I had a bigger one in here. Darn it. There's just tons of them down there, guys. I saw one crappie cruise through, a bunch of bass, a couple of muskie and a northern. Little Emerson Bay, West Lake Okoboji. Oh, there's a big old crappie. Look at that guy. Boy, I wish he'd come in and hit. That's a nice crappie. Whew. That's a brute. Wish I had minnows. Have to bring some minnows here. Maybe tomorrow I can come out. As you can see, guys, I put a different fly on, and I mean they're everywhere here, but I can't. They're racing up to it, but I can't get them to commit. The bigger ones, anyway. I mean, there's some nice bluegills, and a lot of them. I think that this jig I tied on is it's bigger and heavier, and it's got hair on it. I'm just experimenting now, but I wanted you guys to see the sheer amount of bluegill down there. Might have to tie a different thing on these. This thing's a little too big and heavy. Northern's back. This one's a bigger one. That's a 25, 26 inch northern probably. As long as he hangs out. My bluegill are gonna stay away though, so I'm gonna let him. Hopefully he cruises on out of here soon. So, pretty exciting here, but just bluegill so far. Got I think 6 on the ice over there, which is plenty for me and the wife. And so I'm just catching for fun now and having a good time. Little Emerson Bay, West Lake, Okoboji. Got him. Yeah, he's a nice one. There's just a ton of fish down there, guys. Not much size to some of them. Nice bass down. There's a big old bluegill behind this bass. If I could get him to see this thing. But nope. That's a pretty nice gill there. I got 4 on the ice. Got one right away when I got here. Now, another bass. The wind is just whipping. I don't know how long I can stay here. But it's been a good day. I mean, I'm going to try and get, I got 4 on the ice over there. I'm going to try and get a couple more. And, hey, give me a thumbs up if you can. I'll be checking back with you. I'll be on the ice a lot this year. So, we'll see you guys.